this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going to talk about how a Bitcoin dump created a perfect dip trade opportunity. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Now Bitcoin did a big dump in the wee hours of the night, as it does sometimes. Yeah, here we are. So from about midnight last night to 5 in the morning, Bitcoin dropped over 9%. As I've said many times on this channel, when Bitcoin drops 1%, the altcoins sometimes drop 2, 3, up to 5%. So a 9% drop like this can create chaos among the altcoins. 15, 20, 30% drop is quite plausible in these situations. So what happened is a bunch of my alerts went off in the wee hours of the morning. One of those was AAVE. This is a coin I've traded quite a bit in December and November. I've done a couple of videos about the AAVE-Up coin already. You can watch those here. And sure enough, my AAVE alert went off. My RSI alert that I set for below 30 on the RSI usually indicates something is oversold and due to head back up. It's not a perfect indicator. None of them are, but it's something I look at when it happens. So when several of these alarms woke me up at about 3:15 this morning, I went to AAVE first. So, but I was thinking, even in my sleepy haze, that I don't want to just trade AAVE, the spot coin. I want to trade AAVE-Up. You know, Binance's leverage coin. It's usually 2.3, 2.5 times leverage. So let's look at the AAVE chart, or the AAVE-Up chart. So as you can see, the candles look nearly identical, but the numbering is different. So I don't want to wait at 3 in the morning to see signs of a recovery for this. So I do a little gamble. I decide to just make a low buy order. So I think it's around here at the time I'm looking at it, like 16.2, 16.6. So I set a low buy order for 15.8 and I go back to sleep. So the coin goes mostly sideways and then drops again to 15.8. And my limit order puts me, or kicks in at 15.8 at 5:11 a.m. So I wake up and I find that Binance is down. It's going through maintenance or having some kind of problem. So this morning I really wasn't trading much. But then I got busy and it came back online around 11:15. And that's when I had to do my analysis to figure out where I want to get out of this trade. And I just wanted it to retrace back to where it had been, shortly after the dump started. So I've got, resistance in this range, some more right about here, and then some more right about here. So I'm in between these two points. I don't want to be greedy, and this is I know it's a double-digit return if it goes the way I think it will. So I set my sell order for 18.2, and it takes me out around 12:40, 12:43 at 18.252, and I've got a 15.35% profit. I'm in this for about 7.5 hours, so that's a great day trade. Bitcoin dumps can be very lucrative. It's a bummer for the coins I'm in. I have to ladder buy those, and that's a strategy I've talked about in other videos. But for initiating new positions, it can be really good. Once you get the evidence that it's starting to trend back up, that's when you can jump in. You can get high single digit or low to medium double digit returns, especially on the up coins. So that's all I have for today on my trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages, and please check out the tools and resources I have in the comments below. I'll see you later. Bye.